Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about Acuity Scheduling. Basically, Acuity Scheduling is an online software that will allow you to create online scheduling in case you have a business that runs around that area. So for example, if you have a consulting services or maybe you work in the legal area and you need people to create schedule in order to enjoy your services, Acuity will be able to help you a lot. Now, before we continue, Acuity Scheduling is not a free software, so you will have to pay. They do offer you a free trial, but I'm just going to show you the pricing real quick so that you know their plan and each of their prices. So here are the plan that they have. They start from $16 per month and you can pay them annually, or you can also choose to pay them monthly if you want. It will be a little bit pricier if you choose to pay them monthly. So I'm just going to show you the annually payment. So here we have the emerging plan, growing plan, powerhouse, and then enterprise, which is a custom one, and you will need to consult with their people in order to create this custom plan. So each plan have different cores. For example, this one's on the emerging one, you will be able to have number of staffs or locations added into this software, and you'll be able to have one staff for the $16 per month, and then it's going to gradually adds up the more you pay. For example, on the growing one, you'll be able to have 6 staff. For the powerhouse one, you'll be able to get up to 36 staff. Meanwhile, the enterprise one will allows you unlimited amount of staff per locations. And then they all offer to you client self-scheduling. They offer unlimited services and appointment. And you can just go ahead and pause this video if you would like to read some more details. Or you can also just go to acuityscheduling.com and go to their pricing page. Alright, now that we're done with that, I'm going to show you how to create the scheduling form. So we're going to go ahead and log in. Alright, so once you've got your account, you're going to start by inserting your business name and then creating the scheduling page URL. So going to start by adding the name. It's going to be Son of the Moon, and I'm going to try if the name is available, and thankfully it is available. So the URL that I will get is going to be sonofthemoon.as.me. Then I'm just going to go ahead and click on next, and now you're going to want to set up your first appointment type. And here it says that you'll be able to create more appointment and classes later. So let's say that I will want to create a beauty consultation. So I'm just going to name this as beauty/makeup consultation. And then this consultation would have the durations of, let's say, 45 minutes, and you can just type in whatever minutes you want. Maybe it's 30 minutes, or maybe even it's an hour. So you can just type in the amount of minutes that you want for your consultation. And then for the appointment type, you have the options to choose whether you want to create it in a one-on-one or just like face-to-face, which means that one customer will be handled by one people, or if it's going to be in the form of class or group. And let's say that it's going to be a one-on-one appointment for me, and then you can choose the price for your appointment. So the reason why you can set up the price, or the reason why the price setting is actually optional, is because maybe you want to create a free consultation for your business. Let's say that you do offer free consultation, and then if they want to enjoy some furthermore consultations, or maybe this consultation is going to be about the product that you're selling, you can just set a free consultation, and then your customer can go from there after they consult with you. But let's say that I will want to add the price of, let's say, $25, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And here you'll want to set up your availability. So You can choose your day and your time for the consultation, and you can also choose on your time zone if you want. All you have to do is click on this arrow on the right side of the location, and then you can just add it according to your location. And next, you can take on the day that you want your consultations to be. So for example, I want it to be just for Monday to Friday, and then I can just take in Monday through Friday and leave the Saturdays and Sunday one. And let's say that the consultation will start at maybe 8 a.m. to probably 6 p.m. on Monday, and you want a different time for Tuesday, you want a different time for Wednesday, etc. All you have to do is just settings on all of the time. And if you would want to duplicate the time, all you have to do is just click this box right here that says applies to all, and it's going to automatically makes everything the same working hour. Then once you're done adding or setting up your availability, all you have to do is click on next. And here they will ask you to set up your payment. So you can connect your Stripe, your Square, or PayPal, and it will give your client more options for their payment method, and you can just connect it right now, or you can just click on later and then connect the payment method later on. And I'm just going to skip it for now, and I'm going to show you the designing part of this scheduling page or of this scheduling form. So here you can see you have the design your scheduling page options, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And they have these two templates. They have monthly and then daily, and it says here that the monthly one is best for clients booking more than a week in advance. Meanwhile, the daily one is best for when clients always try to find the earliest convenience time. So it's going to differ according to what you need. You can just adjust it to the type of consultation or the type of schedules that you want to run on your business. I'm just going to set mine for daily. And if you choose on the templates form, you can also see how it looks like on the final forms later on the right side of your screen right here. So again, I'm just going to use the daily, and then obviously you want to put your business name, and then you can select the industry. So mine is going to be beauty, and you can add your logo if you want, because it's going to show on the page. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload mine. Alright, so I've uploaded my logo, and then you can also add instructions here for your customers. Let's say that you want to say some additional info like this consultation comes with free makeup samples, and then maybe you want to add some rules like please do not bring any food to the consultation room. And maybe you want to set up rules about cancellations, like the cancellations max is just going to be day -1, which means that they will not be able to cancels on the D-Day, or any other rules that you will want to put into your forms. And once you're done, you want to settings on the week starts on, because it's going to show here. But if you are like me, if you don't want to have any consultations on Sundays or Saturdays, you can just leave this as it is. And you can also change the time format to the AM or PM or the 24 hours. I'm just going to leave it as AM and PM. And then you can also change the language if you want, or change the font. So you can see there are some selections of font. So let's say that I want to go with the railway here, and for the accent color I want to choose the color orange, and then all you have to do is click Save Changes. And now you got your scheduling page created. Now let's take a look at the scheduling page that we just created by clicking on this View Client Scheduling page. So this is how the page that we've just created looks like. I have my logo on top of here. I have my terms and conditions or notes over here. And then I have the appointment. So I only created one appointment, but if you ended up having more than just one type of appointment or one type of services, you can add up some more, and then it's going to show over here so that your customer will be able to choose on the kind of appointment that they want. And then they can also choose on what time they want the consultations to take place in that day. And that's basically it. That is how you can use Acuity Scheduling app in order to help your online scheduling appointment. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.